Hi, I'm going to walk you through the NETGEAR Align Controller, model GB406. This is NETGEAR's first AV platform, and it's a genuinely new category for us. Let me show you why that matters and what it means for your business. Here's the reality of most AV over IP deployments today. They are complex and fragmented. To get a single AV network running properly, you typically need a separate PTP Grandmaster clock, a separate NTP server, a separate DHCP and DNS setup, a syslog server, and then a management platform on top of all of it. This is exactly the problem Align was built to solve. One box replaces four, and that changes the economics of how you support a client. Inside, it's a serious compute platform. The Align controller is running built-in precision timing with PTP version 2, SMPTE, ST2110, and GPTP for AVB, plus the core network services every AV deployment needs: NTP, DNS, DHCP, syslog, all pre-installed and ready to go out of the box. Let me move quickly through what's actually running on this thing. Align hosts NETGEAR Engage directly for centralized configuration and monitoring of your AV switches, Pro router, Wi-Fi 7 access points, and with the offline provisioning built in. When you click Engage on the main Align controller GUI, you are opening a new tab in your browser. And see, you can open up to 5 concurrent sessions with your team and collaborate during an installation. Alongside Engage, let's go to the services now. It's running a PTP Grandmaster clock, supporting up to 6 PTP or AVB instances with D4 1588, 8 AES67, SMPTE 2059-2, AES R16 2016, or 802.1as AVB and their respective BMCS settings. It's running a DHCP server with DHCP templates, most major DHCP options, and active client classification rules. Engage can host VLANs DHCP servers on the Align controller DHCP server, here. It's running a syslog server for a centralized log collection, storage, retention from multiple devices supporting the standard syslog protocol, UDP, TCP, typically port 514. It's running an NTP server, providing time synchronization across devices on the network. It includes the local reference clock, the fudge, and the local stratum level for the trust or accuracy of the clock when your AV endpoints are picky. And it's running a full DNS server with forward and reverse lookups, authoritative DNS serving official records for the domains, and recursive resolver querying other DNS services, and zone management. All of it is manageable from the same browser-based GUI for up to 5 concurrent local sessions like the rest of the Align controller. And here is the headline feature. Through the NETGEAR Inside Cloud, you get secure remote access to the Align controller, Engage, and all applications. That means you and your team, you can log in from anywhere and diagnose or resolve an issue without driving to site. A 5-year electronic license, the GB406B60-10000S, it's needed for the NETGEAR Inside Cloud remote access and the third-party applications, but there is a 90-day grace period for you to test everything first. Finally, Align is an open platform for the AV community and all NETGEAR AV partner manufacturers. It can host third-party applications right alongside NETGEAR's own. For instance, a built-in NDI discovery server for streamlined device discovery, with more applications coming to the App Store as the ecosystem grows. Let me show you another NETGEAR app from the App Store, the NETGEAR PTP Analyzer. It's a very easy to use diagnostics/monitoring view into the onboard PTP Grandmaster. Things like sync offset, path delay, jitter, BMCA, clock state, and per profile timing health. See how it's nice to see the PTP clocks and how they interact with each other. And you want to make sure that you have one Grandmaster clock only, for instance. So, what does this actually change for you as a system integrator? First, it changes the economics of support. Remote access to Engage means you can catch and fix problems before the client even notices. No truck roll, no half-day site visit for a config change. That makes managed services contracts practical in the way they weren't before. Faster response, lower cost to deliver, and something you can scale across many client sites instead of just a handful. Second, it's a new service you can sell. Align turns will manage your AV network remotely from a promise into a real sellable offering. Recurring revenue built on top of hardware you're already installing. And third, it's built to grow with you because as more third-party applications land on the platform, Align becomes more valuable to the same install without you even touching the rack again. That's the Align controller. One box, purpose-built for how AV networks actually behave, and a new remote service business for the integrators who deploy it. Thanks for watching.